You folks all know how much I like the Telesin gear because I think you get really well made and well thought out product for pretty good price. And if you're looking for mounts or third party batteries or any kind of things like that, they just have a whole bunch of options, which, yeah, they're way less expensive than the original manufacturers. And quality wise, they're great. They work. This, what we're looking at today, I think I will use a lot. And it's the Telesin Elastic Small Q Handlebar Mount. 10 reviews, 5 stars. Comes in at $22 US, I believe it is. And you can get it in this black, this, I guess, orange color, this greenish color. It's like a lime green color, and a gray color. Basically, as you can see it in this little picture, this is it just wraps around a bar. For instance, you want to wrap it around your handlebar on your motorcycle or on your bike, or you want to wrap it around just a pole. You got a pole here that you want to wrap it around. I'm going to actually be taking this with me on my holidays coming up. We're going to be doing some traveling to Disney, and my thoughts are that possibly I can bring this and have this available so that if I am on, let's say, a coaster, which has the pull down bars, maybe I can wrap this around. Now, I don't know if it will be big enough. The wrapping will be that big. Did I get the green one? It looks green in the picture, but I got black. Okay, I wasn't sure because this shows green, but I got black. Doesn't matter. I don't care. This would wrap. Yes, you would wrap around. And it's got a, do you guys see that? It's got a pretty good stretch to it. My guess is I could get that around. And then basically this would wrap in here, right? So it would wrap around this piece. And you can see how small it can get. You guys see how small it can get? And then of course this is gonna, like, that's not gonna come off by any means. So my only concern for where we're going is time. If I want to wrap this on something around here, will I have enough time? Now, I think the best thing that I could do was make sure this is this way, not this way. Because if it's this way, it becomes a little bit more difficult for you to get this on and off because this piece here, the screw, kind of gets in the way. So this piece is movable so that you can rotate it depending how you have it wrapped. And this, you can rotate your camera on it. So you want to make sure it's this way. Get the camera kind of where you want. Get this on the bar. And then you could pull this, right? You could really pull it because there's two here. My guess is if you really wanted to go small, you could get it all the way up on that one. Like it stretches that far. But to this, could you wrap it around and you just, right? Just get that in there. I think that would totally be doable. The only thing you want to make sure is that this band gets in there. Now, the other thing that's really nice is I will be going on a couple motorcycle rides, fairly long ones. One's going to be 3 or 4 day ride up from my house to Cape Breton. And then we're going on a 3-week ride. And because I have so many action cams, I'm going to be putting action cams on some of the other riders' bikes. Or when I go out and I want to put a camera on Mary's bike, because she doesn't like to have anything permanently mounted on her motorcycle. She likes it nice and clean. This would be really nice because it would be so easy for me to just be like, okay, put it on your handlebar. Let's just put that on there. Make sure this is all good so it's not coming off. And then you could adjust this just to make sure it's in the right spot. Yeah, I think that'll be really good. I'm a fan of that. That's a great idea. Now, the one thing I don't know, and if any of you guys out there have used this, is I don't think this will lose much of its stretch. I think it should be okay, right? Like if I put this on my finger, for instance, like that's pretty good. I wonder, like if you were going somewhere, would I have enough stretch, do you think, to get this on like my hand? So the simple answer is I probably could, but I'd lose circulation for sure. But if you wanted to put it on like a couple of your fingers, you could definitely do that, just kind of have that out there while you're doing a ride, because that's not gonna come off by any means with 2 fingers. I could hold on to the bars, have my camera up here, be holding on. That may actually work better because if I have bars up here, I can kind of just get the camera where I want. And I know that screw's going to fall out. But I know, because a lot of times they're like, it has to be hands-free so that if you do this, it's not going to come off. But that's not coming off by any means. Like, right? That's, okay, definitely coming with me for sure. Maybe we'll do a touch base on when I get back. Yeah, when I get back, and we'll let you know how this went. But right now, very cool. And I do have a link down below if you guys are interested in getting this from the Telesin's website. There may be a discount actually when you use the link, so use the link, I guess. All right, my friends, 10 reviews. I'll give it 11. So far, I like it. Really good. 5 stars, 22 bucks. I like the green color, but I guess if you kind of want it a bit more hidden, black's the way to go. All right, Telesin Elastic Small Q Handlebar Mount. They call it on the box the Versatile Wrap. Versatile Wrap. Very cool. All right, guys, links down below, and I will see you guys next video. Later.